Greetings from Texas. We're going to try out this thing I bought a couple years ago. Kind of digging through some things and found it. It's a solar lighter. It's built to light cigarettes. So let's pull it out here and see if I can start a fire with it. So you have a plastic parabolic mirror, which is kind of lightweight, a spring, and holder for the cigarette. So the instructions: insert that spring, and you put that dude there, and I think it's preset for a focal point here. So let's try some char cloth and see how this works. All right, let's go out here to the sun. All right, so let's see how this works. Let's get out here in the sun. That bright light is not easy on the eyes. I highly recommend sunglasses. I think that's why I couldn't see that it had a spark going already. It was washed out by the white light. Oh, I guess it was going. I just couldn't see it. Well, it worked really quick. I just couldn't see it. I couldn't see I saw a little bit of smoke, but I didn't know it was lit, so it didn't take long at all. Okay, well, I think that thing works. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.